Yeah.
Are you ticklish? Is this like torture? That doesn't sound like he's having fun, Dad.
It's like, oh, that's very ticklish. That's very ticklish right there. Right there.
No. Maybe you should not. Why aren't you laughing?
What?
So funny. God, you are loud. I think he wants to turn over.
Yeah, turn over.
He kept turning over earlier.
Oh, my neck hurts.
Ow! You just kicked me on my face!
Where's my glasses?
It's over here.
Where? Is that fun?
What?
Oh. He wants mommy to do it.
What?
Do you know how to do it, mommy?
No.
You should learn how to do it.
No, he always laughs at me. I make him. What are you looking at? You do have a scary laugh. He's like a little toy doll.
He's following me with his eyes. Huh? Oh, poor Jenny. Jenny.
Hi, Jenny.
No, she's not ticklish. I cannot.
You're not
blow her.
ticklish?
I cannot blow her tummy. No, I cannot blow your tummy.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, okay. Good doggy. Okay. Good doggy. Okay. You go back and sit. You can sit.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Tickle time over. Now you're going to need to put your pants on. Okay? That means no, I need cooperation from you, mister. I need to finish. And we will be putting socks on as well. Socks. They will stay on. Okay? Say goodbye.